My name is Jocelyn Lopez. Before I start unpacking these boxes, I want to say thank you to Paul Davis Restoration for their wonderful work in our moving process. I want to show you how amazing they were. All these boxes have the name basement, so they are in the basement where they should be. They helped me even to organize the boxes that were in a closet in the other house. They put inside there all the boxes that were in the closet in the other house. So I didn't have to worry about where are my boxes. They are here where they should be. They also were so careful. They were so amazing that my walls look amazing after the moving. It's not any damage on the walls. They brought the things where they should be, and they put my wonderful furniture in place. So for all of that, thank you so much, Paul Davis Restoration.